Okay, Robert, are you there? This video is for you. This is your Tomoquad CSX. You sent it to me. It came with a broken motor that would just stutter, you know. I hate it when that happens because you never know if it's the ESC or the motor. So, you know, people will say, well, just swap the motor with a good one and then you'll know. But it's such a pain in the ass to do that. But that is the only way to really do it. So that's actually what I did. But what I did instead is I just took another motor from a motor that I had, you know, so I didn't have to swap them around. I just grabbed another motor that I had, put it in its place, and that motor spun. So obviously it was the motor. So I ordered you a new motor, put it on. Your old motor is right here in case you want to play with it or something. Here is your old stack. You had the iFlight Whoop FC with the VTX. So it's all set up. I flashed it to 3.5.7. I did a little bit of PID tuning. I set everything up. It's all should be all good to go. Actually, I don't think I set up the OSD, but you can do that. So I did run the grounds together for the FPV, so it shouldn't have those lines in the video. I haven't really looked yet, but we'll check. Yeah, it looks better than it would have. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Nice and clear. Okay, cool. So there you go. Video looks good. Now we'll do a hover. I have not hovered it yet. So hopefully it doesn't shake, because that would freaking suck. All right, here we go. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna fly so nice for you, man. Flying perfect. Sweet. I am so happy that that is flying good now. So yeah, everything's good to go. One other thing is, oh, and I also, you know, had to get a different VTX since you had the iFlight VTX. So I got the Unify Pro 32 Nano, which is what you wanted. I haven't done anything with it yet though, so I will unlock it for you. And the bind button, so the receiver, I sent you a picture, but the receiver is on this side and the VTX is on this side. The buttons, you should be able to get to them right here under the canopy. You might have to push down a little bit on the receiver to see the button. Yeah, it's right there, right on the edge. So you might possibly be able to go through up here, or you might need to loosen up the screw a little bit to lift up the canopy just a tiny bit. Actually, as you unscrew the screw, the canopy will just kind of rise up a little bit, and then you'll be able to see the button. Same with on this side. You can almost see the button for the VTX right here. It's almost sticking out. Maybe if I pushed in. Yeah, you can see the button right there. You could probably get to it if you pushed in. Yeah, there we go. That'll work perfect. Okay, so I'll unlock the VTX, and I'll stick some UMA grip on there, and I'll get it boxed up and shipped out and send you over some tracking. All right, thanks, Robert.